Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is set to surrender at the Tihar jail today. This follows a significant legal development wherein his interim bail extension plea was denied by the Rouse Avenue Court. The court has clarified that as per the Supreme Court's order, Kejriwal is prohibited from filing an interim bail extension plea and is allowed only to file a regular bail plea. The hearing for this matter has been postponed to the 5th of June. To recap, Arvind Kejriwal was granted, interim bail on the 10th of May for about 21 days to allow him campaigning. Now, just 2 days before the Lok Sabha election results are announced, Kejriwal will be surrendering at the Tihar jail at approximately 3 p.m. today. My colleague Brian Thomas with us on the broadcast. Brian, why exactly has the court now postponed the hearing to the 5th of June? They've not put a stay on Arvind Kejriwal returning to Tihar jail today.
Well, Devika, now the Delhi High Court, deferred the interim bail that happened on this, that was filed by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to June 2nd, meaning that the Aam Aadmi Party national convener will have to return to jail on this very date, that is today. Now, talking about the developments, also Special Judge Kaveri Babeja of the Rouse Avenue Court passed the order that Kejriwal had applied for a week-long interim bail on medical grounds. Now, representing the ED, also Solicitor General Tushar Mehta also argued that Kejriwal's claim in his very press conference that happened on Friday were definitely misleading. And Mehta also contended that Kejriwal's statement about voluntary surrendering on June 2nd was not at all accurate, suggesting that the public was misled by his very press conference. And even senior advocate Hariharan, also representing Kejriwal, stated that if the court denies the interim bail, then Kejriwal will have no option but to comply to this very statement. And even SG Tushar Mehta also emphasized that the several facts about Kejriwal's health conditions were also being very suppressed. The ED, which was objecting to interim bail request, also stated that the court cannot modify the Supreme Court's order, and they argued that Kejriwal is seeking an extension of interim bail granted by the Supreme Court, which should not be extended due to the suppression of facts. And the ED also, Devika, highlighted that the Supreme Court had only allowed Kejriwal the liberty to apply for regular bail, not to seek an extension of the interim bail. And they noted that Kejriwal claimed medical tests required 7 days, but did not even specify the nature of the test. And even ED's response to Kejriwal's interim bail request also pointed out that from May 24th, when the application for the extension of interim bail was drafted until its disposal on May 28th, the applicant, despite citing medical reasons for interim bail, continued extensive travel and conducted even multiple road shows and rallies instead of undergoing the medical test he now claims to need. And also further goes on to say that his conduct suggests that he neither appears sick nor requires any specialized medical care that is unavailable in jail. And even, yes, today is the day that at 3 p.m. he will be going to surrender at Tihar jail, and there will be a lot of formalities also, like he will be also appearing for a medical test, and like the CM does also before going to Tihar jail, he will also be going to Hanuman Mandir and CP to seek blessing. So that is a part of his day, that is an itinerary of the Chief Minister that is slated to happen today.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.